Why do 70% of new moms struggle to find nutritious snacks while breastfeeding? Let's dive in. When you're breastfeeding, it feels like your appetite has no off switch, right? But it's not just about filling up, it's about fueling up. So let's chat about some delicious and healthy snacks that'll keep you energized and support your milk supply. First up, lactation power bites. These bite-sized energy boosters are packed with oats, nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. They're not only delicious but also contain galactagogues like flaxseed and brewer's yeast, which may help boost your milk supply. Perfect for when you need a quick bite between feeds. Next, Mama's milk-boosting smoothie mixes. These pre-portioned mixes make whipping up a nutritious smoothie a breeze. Each pack is loaded with fruits, veggies, protein powder, and healthy fats. Plus, with ingredients like moringa and fenugreek, you'll get that extra lactation support. Just blend, sip, and enjoy. And don't forget about postpartum recovery snack boxes. Imagine a box filled with a variety of snacks tailored to your post-baby needs. Protein bars, trail mixes, and herbal teas. These boxes are all about holistic recovery, helping you feel your best while nurturing that precious bond with your baby. So there you have it, moms. Healthy snacks that are convenient, nutritious, and oh so tasty. Remember, taking care of yourself is just as important as taking care of your little one. Happy snacking and happy nursing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and support on your motherhood journey.